Welcome to AVEVA Instrumentation Training by SENTHAALAI Technical Institute. Thank you for giving us the opportunity, and we are glad to be part of your career growth. In this lesson you will learn how to edit a loop in the Engineer module. After opening the Engineer module, go to the Home menu. Then go to the Lists and Schedules group and click on the Select button to view the available grid views. Click on Loops to open the Loop List grid view. The Loop List grid view will appear along with the Loop List menu. There are two ways to edit a loop. Option 1 is to go to the Home menu, then go to the Records group and click the Edit button. Option 2 is to go to the Loop List menu, then go to the Records group and click the Edit button. The Records group is available in both menus for convenience. For this training, we are going to edit the loop with the tag 01P0001. This loop will be used and referred to throughout the training. After clicking the Edit button, the Edit Loop Tag dialog form will appear. First, update the project status as newly created. In a real-time project, the status should be updated as per project requirements. Plant area, area path, and loop type cannot be edited because they are linked with the loop tag number. These fields are automatically updated based on the selected tag format and tag number. The loop tag number appears in bold text and can be edited by clicking the left arrow button located next to the loop tag number. After clicking this button, the loop tag dialog form will appear. This process was explained earlier during the creation of a new loop tag. If you have any questions, please refer to the Create New Loop Tag video. Next, enter the loop service as pump 01 P0001 inlet pressure. The related loops field is used to select other loops linked to this loop. In general, loops are not linked, and this is only a special requirement. Therefore, we are leaving this field unchanged. Enable the Drawing Required checkbox so that a loop drawing can be generated in the Designer module. In general, this checkbox must be enabled. Add remarks as created as part of AVEVA Instrumentation training. Click Apply to save the changes. You will notice that the last edit field is updated with the current timestamp. Loop wiring check, create loop wiring, remove loop wiring, and add tag options are explained in another video titled Assign Instruments to Loop. Congratulations! You have now learned how to edit a loop in AVEVA Instrumentation. Thank you for your time and attention. This concludes this training lecture. We appreciate your participation and interest in the topic. If you have any questions or require further clarification, please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. Thank you once again, and we look forward to your continued learning and engagement.